Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over creating a PDF generator template. I'm currently logged into the Inhouz Cloud console. To get to the PDF generator module, all I need to do is click on PDF generator in the menu. Here we have it. We have one template called proposal. To create a new template, all you need to do is click on the create template button. We need to give our template a unique name. If we gave our template the exact same name as the one that we already have, as you can see, it doesn't let us do that. So let's go ahead and call our template proposal v2. If you wanted to clone a template, all you would need to do is click on the clone and then click on the search template directory, select a template, and then create a template. But we're not going to do that. So let's start over real quickly. Proposal v2. If you wanted to have this document be the draft version of it be saved to your file storage service, you can basically pick a file storage service among any that is configured in your account. If you want the generated documents to be stored in your file storage service, then you could also select the file storage service from your account. Now this just means that whatever documents I generated are stored on your cloud, such as an AWS S3 bucket as we have here configured in my account, or a Google Cloud Storage bucket, or an Azure Blob Storage container. So we have a few options. If you want to generate this template using an existing PDF document, all you need to do is click on select files. You can select multiple files. If you wanted to generate this document just starting with a blank page or a PDF document list, all you need to do is click on the respective buttons. We are going to go over what a blank page is or a document page, and we are going to go over a PDF document list in future videos, so keep watching. For now, we're going to start off with an existing PDF document. So I'm going to click on select files. I'm just going to search for a document called proposal. And then I'm going to click on the create template. Here we have it. We have our proposal template. If I were to click on the settings, proposal v2, we don't have any file storage settings. If I wanted to delete this, I could just simply delete and it would delete our template, but deleting will not delete generated documents, just the template. Of course, you can change the name, you can make some minor updates with regards to the template settings. So here we have it. We have our templates, which is generated from an existing PDF document. And this is what we call a PDF page because it was generated from a PDF document. Now, if we wanted to add some data here or add some, edits this document, all we will need to do is drag and drop and configure any elements on top of our PDF document, and then we will be able to go ahead and programmatically generate the document. For example, if I wanted to drag a text block on here, I can drag one. Let's change the configuration or the width. Okay. All right, so I changed the width and let's find our text block. There we go. So if we were to generate this document, you would have this text overlaid on top of this PDF page, and it would look like it was part of the document. All right. Now, in the next videos, we are going to work with generating data. We're going to go into what a PDF page is. We're going to go into the different types of pages, and it's going to be fun. So see you in the next one.